Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make oat milk kefir. This delicious, probiotic-rich drink is simple to prepare at home with just a few ingredients. You'll need active kefir grains, your favorite unsweetened oat milk, and a clean glass jar. Make sure to also have a non-metal strainer, a spoon, and a breathable cover ready. Let's get started on creating this healthy, homemade beverage for you to enjoy. To begin, gently place about 1 tablespoon of your active kefir grains into a clean glass jar. Now, pour in approximately 2 cups of unsweetened oat milk, ensuring the grains are fully submerged. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Allow this mixture to ferment at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours, keeping it out of direct sunlight. You'll notice it thickening and developing a tangy aroma. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're enjoying this guide on making oat milk kefir, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Speaking of simple paths, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can truly change how you think about money and financial independence. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to this book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your oat milk kefir has fermented to your liking, it's time to harvest it. Carefully strain the kefir through a non-metal sieve into a clean container, separating the liquid from the grains. Your fresh oat milk kefir can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to gently rinse your kefir grains with cool water before placing them into a new batch of oat milk to continue the fermentation cycle. It's a continuous process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.